So hello guys, welcome back to my second video. So this video is about the mount adapter which can be used on gorilla pod or tripod. So let's unbox it. So let's open the case. This one is the best under Rs299. We can even change the direction of it. I just like the weight that how it is made. My phone will not fall. As you are seeing, my previous tripod's mount, the rubber is just out because this is of very low quality. The tripod is fine, but the mount is of very low quality. That's why I bought new one. Sometimes my phone also slips out of it. Now I will take my new one. It looks pretty good on a roll apart. Yes. So let's change the direction. Close it. As you're watching, it's too easy. So let's take my phone up to it. As you're seeing, it looks pretty cool. My phone will not fall. Please ignore that nerf there. That is only for background. Now as you are seeing the camera, you can even not see me at all. The link of my product will be given in the description. So guys, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.